Welcome back to Ag Day on this Veterans Day. Mike, what do we have in store this week?
Cold air for the middle of the country. Yeah,
Okay.
a blast of cold air coming behind this trough right now, which is north of the Great Lakes, dipping down into the northern portions of the Plain States. Cold air is already moving into the northern plains, and as you'll see in the jet stream, putting it into motion. It's a fast-moving trough, so we do see a secondary shot coming for Wednesday and Thursday there with some colder air into the northern plains again. But then you'll notice as we head into the weekend, the trough kind of redevelops out to the west, and we have a zonal flow from the southwest to the northeast as we head through the weekend. So it looks like this is a quick shot of cold air more than likely. Now, some computer models are keeping the trough farther into the east much longer, and that may mean the cold air may come and stay. But as of now, most computer models are moving it right away. So here's what we're going for this week. Below normal temperatures, colder than normal from Minnesota down to Arkansas and everywhere east of there. It's going to be a cold period for the western plains, especially the Dakotas, Nebraska, and Kansas, but it may start to warm up later in the week. So that's why we're going near normal for you folks. But it's going to start off cold. It probably already is in the Dakotas right now. Above normal temperatures then for the southwest, as you can see, including Nevada and California. Now, as far as precipitation for this coming week, with the storm system kind of riding along that front, once it kind of stalls out in parts of the southeast, we're looking for above normal amounts of moisture from the Ohio Valley southward, also up and down the mid-Atlantic states, southeast as well, over into eastern Texas. Below normal, though, Four Corner region, all the way into most of Nebraska and Kansas, as you can see, parts of South Dakota as well, and above normal for the Pacific Northwest, including the northern portions of the Rockies. As far as the 30-day outlook for temperatures, and this will take us right into the early part of December, below normal for the northeast, the far northern Great Lakes, and then most of the northern plains and almost all of the west. Expected to be below normal. So we do kind of expect that trough to shift back to the west for 2 or 3 weeks, which will make it below normal there. Above normal from the Tennessee Valley southward to the Gulf Coast. And as far as precipitation over the next 30 days, in an area from Texas, Louisiana, on up through the Tennessee and Ohio valleys to the mid-Atlantic, above normal moisture is expected. Below normal for the Four Corner region, and much of Montana back into the Pacific Northwest, expected to be above normal as well. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. First of all, for Yakima, Washington, mostly cloudy and chilly today, high temperature of 53 degrees. Look at how cold it is in Minot, North Dakota, partly sunny, the high of only 20. And taking a look at Vandalia, Illinois, increasing clouds and mild, the high of 57.